Okay, I'll get some silence. This is the Pyle PD MIC58. 50% gain, no equalization. Alright, this is the Pyle PD MIC58 with 15% gain, or I guess 25% gain would really be 1/4 gain. No equalization. And this is the Pyle PD MIC58 with no gain and no equalization. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up to 50% now, and I'm going to equalize the highs to 25%. Alright, this is the Pyle PD MIC58 with, what do we got here? 50% gain and 25% equalization. This is the Pyle PD MIC58 with 25% gain and 25% highs equalization. This is the Pyle PD MIC58 with no gain and the highs are EQ'd. No gain on the Pyle PD MIC58. Alright, I'm going to switch back to the Electrovoice. Okay, that gave me a little difficulty. So this is the Electrovoice 635 with 50% gain, no equalization. The refrigerator just cut back on, by the way. This is the Electrovoice 635 with 25% gain, no equalization. And this is Electrovoice 635 with no gain and no equalization. But there is more noise now than there was with the Pyle because the refrigerator just cut back on. So I'll play this back and see how it sounds.